Today's topic is interpolation. Using Lagrange's interpolation formulae, we have to fit a polynomial and hence find y at 1. So here x values are given as -1, 0, 2, 3 and y values, the corresponding y values are -8, 3, 1, 12. So in between 0 and 2, so we have x value is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 1, we have to find the corresponding y value. That is what it was asked in this y at 1. So using Lagrange's interpolation formula, I am going to solve this. So according to the formula, first I am going to close this x naught. So if I close this x naught, see y at x is equal to. So I have to subtract all these three from x. That is x minus 0. So this is x minus 2. X minus 3 divided by, so the value here is -1. So I have to subtract all these three values from -1. That is -1 minus 0. So this is -1 minus 2. This is -1 minus 3 into y naught. That is f of x naught. The value here is -8 plus. Now I am closing this x1. I have to subtract all these three values from x. That is x minus of minus plus 1, this is x minus 2, this is x minus 3 divided by, the closed value is 0 here, that is 0 minus of minus plus 1, this is 0 minus 2, this is 0 minus 3 into the corresponding y naught value here is 3 plus. Now I am going to close this x2 and I will subtract all these three values from x. That is x minus of minus plus 1, this is x minus 0, this is x minus 3 divided by, the closed value here is 2. So I have to subtract all these values from 2, that is 2 minus of minus plus 1, this is 2 minus 0, this is 2 minus 3 into y naught, the value here is 1 plus. So now I am closing this x3 value. So I have to subtract all these three values from x. That is x minus of minus plus 1, this is x minus 0, this is x minus 2 divided by, from x3, from 3 I have to subtract all these. So that is 1 minus of minus plus 1, this is 3 minus 0, this is 3 minus 2 into the value here is 12. Now I have to solve all these. So this value is nothing but y at x is equal to, so this value is x. So if I multiply, so this will be x square minus 3x minus 2x, which is equal to minus 5x, minus into minus, this is plus 2 3s is 6 divided by, here the values are -1, so this is -3 and this is -4 into the value is -8 plus. So here I have to multiply all these three, that is x plus 1 into, if I multiply, this is x square minus 3x minus 2x, which is equal to minus 5x and minus of minus, this value is plus 6 divided by, here this is 1, this is -2, this is -3 into 3 and the next value here is this value x minus 0 I am writing first, and if I multiply these through, this will be x square minus 3x plus x, so which is minus 2x, plus into minus is minus, 1 3 is a 3 divided by, so this value is 3 2, this is -1 into plus 1. So here, so x minus 0 I am writing x first of all and I am going to multiply this one, so this is x square, so this is minus 2x plus x, so which is equal to x, and plus into minus is minus, 1 2 is a 2 by, so here this value is 4 into 3 into 1 into 12. So if you observe properly, so I'm going to cancel this one for 2 times, so this one for 2 times and this one for 1 time, and here, so 4 3s are 12 for 1 time. See what remains here, so this will be, there are 3 minus here, so which is minus, and here also minus, minus by minus is plus, so y of x is equal to, this is 2x times of, this is x square minus 5x plus 6 divided by, so here the value here is 3, and see here if I multiply, so with x, so this will be x square minus 5x, so this is x cube, sorry, this is x cube, this is 5x square plus 6x. If I multiply with 1, so this is x square minus 5x plus 6 divided by, see here, minus into minus, this is plus, and what remained here, 2. And if I multiply this, so with x, this will be x cube minus 2x square minus 3x divided by, so this value is minus 6. So here if I multiply with x, so this is x cube minus x square, so this is minus 2x divided by 1. So if you observe properly, so this will be, if I multiply with x inside, so y at x value is 2 by 3 times of, this is x cube minus 5x square plus 6x, and see here, this is x cube, if you observe, minus 5x square plus x square, so which is equal to minus 4x square, and again 6x plus 6x minus 5x, which is equal to x, so which is equal to x plus 6 divided by 2, and here this is minus 1 by 6 times of x cube minus 2x square, and this is minus 3x, and the next one here is, this is x cube minus x square minus 2x. So if you observe, if I take 6 as LCM for all these, so 6 will be the LCM, and if I multiply, so y at x value is equal to, if I take 6 as LCM for all these four terms, so in 3 table 6 comes for 2 times, so 2 into 2, this will be 4. This is x cube minus 5x square plus 6x. In 2 table 6 comes for 3 times, that is 3 times of, this is x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. In 6 it comes in 1 time, therefore minus of x cube minus 2x square minus 3x. So this is 1 here, so in 1 table it comes for 6 times, that is x cube minus x square plus 2x. Now if I multiply all the terms here, so this is 1 by 6 times of, this is nothing but 4x cube minus 20x square plus 24x. So if I multiply, so this is 3x cube minus 12x square plus 3x plus 18. So this is minus, so this will be minus x cube minus of minus 2x square plus 3x. If I multiply with 6, this will be 6x cube minus 6x square minus 12x. So if you take x cube terms common, then see what happens here. So y at x is equal to 1 by 6 times of, this is 4 plus 3, this is minus 1 plus 6 into x square. So if I take x square common, so this is 12x minus 20 minus 12, and here this is 2 and this is minus 6. So this is minus 20 minus 12, and this is plus 2 minus 6x square, and again, so if I take which one common, so here if I take x common, so these are all the x terms, which is equal to 24 plus 3 minus 12 into x, and here the constant value here is 18. So this is the only thing remained here, 18. So here y of x is equal to 1 by 6 times of, this is 7 plus 6, 13 minus 1, which is equal to 12x square. So here it is minus 4 minus 16 minus 20, that is minus 36x square. And if you observe this one, so 24 minus 12, 15, 18, so this is 18x plus value is 18. So y at x is equal to, if I take 6 common from this, this will be 2x square. So this will be x cube here. So this is x cube terms. So this is 2x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 3. So if I cancel the 6 for one time, then see y at x is equal to, this is 2x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 3. And now if I keep x is equal to 1, I need the value of y at 1. So if I keep x is equal to 1 here, so y at 1 value is equal to 2 into 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 3. So y at 1 value is 2 minus 6 plus 3 and plus 3. The value here will be, see here, if I cancel this one, the value here is 2. So if I cancel this plus 6 and minus 6, so plus 6 and minus 6, the value, see here, the value here is y at 1 is equal to, 2 here. So the value here is 2. So this is how we have to solve. So y of x is equal to, this is the Lagrange's polynomial, that is 2x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 3. And see here, let me show you the problem once again. So at x is equal to minus 1, the value here is minus 8. At x is equal to 0, the value of y at 0 is equal to 3. At x is equal to 1, we got the value as 2. Y at 1 is equal to 2. So this is what it is asked, and this is so simple if you solve using Lagrange's interpolation formulae. And we got the final Lagrange's polynomial as well as the value at x is y is equal to 1 is equal to 2. So thank you so much for watching. And I'll be uploading many more videos related to this series. Please follow them. It will be immensely help you in your preparation. And please pass it on if you really like. Please share it to your friends.